In this video, I'll be showing you how to Photoshop an image into another. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, I have this image right here currently on Photoshop, but let's say I want to put another one on top of it, maybe as an overlay or anything like that. First thing I could do is I can drag and drop one over here. So I can do that. So let's say I got this one right here. I can drag that on, and as you can see, it's now in my Photoshop project, and I can scale it however I want. But what I could also do is press file, press open, and then I can open one up this way as well. And I'd honestly recommend doing it this way because whenever you do it this way, it's going to retain all its quality. Then just highlight everything, press Control C to copy it, and then paste it with Control V. And once you do that, you can scale it however you want. I'm going to delete this one. And then, yeah, I can really just do whatever I want with it. So let's say I wanted to do this. Maybe I wanted to add like an outline to it or something. I could go ahead and do that. And yeah, you can really just do whatever you want, which is honestly pretty cool. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.